Now we're going to do an assisted shoulder resistance exercise. For example, in a person who's had a stroke and let's say the right arm was affected, and then you are an assistant at home and you want them to recover, what you would do, you would ask them to stand in this position or sit down if they're more comfortable. Put your hand under the shoulder joint, give it some support. You will start in this position. You will put your hand just behind the elbow, just above the elbow, and then they will lift the arm like that. Go ahead. Again, some light resistance, and back down. Up, up, and down. Okay, remember, as the person gets stronger and stronger, as the person gets stronger and stronger, you will apply more and more resistance, because what you want is continuous progress. Using the same level of resistance all the time is not really going to allow the person to get stronger and stronger with time. You have to, over time, apply more and more resistance, hence getting the shoulder stronger and stronger with time. When the person has completed the amount of repetitions prescribed by the therapist, you take a break and then you go in again.